Yansky gonna make a speech for LJ. So he's coming over here, standing there, and say a word. Instead of LJ, Yansky's gonna speak. Okay, Yansky. From gonna be good guy. Don't get this boy. This boy is not us here. Because he's a. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Guam Kosrae, right? Where are you from? Guam Kosrae, right? Okay, speak.
Just birthday for giving money for God. What Jesus and
You said thank you for LJ's birthday, for God, Jesus, Amen. You forgot the money. You want to borrow the money? After that, you come to LJ. Alright. Naging afakit tawad siya. Laging proclamore. Kakalitan. Tadi mo malten. Dito sa mo. Kaka! Tadi mo elten. Kaka! Come. You're gonna dance before we. Oh, why you not gonna eat? Oh my remember, God. Remember me and you talk, right? Come. Okay, come on. Open nana. Oh, open nana.
He has to do this with the
Okay, open the food. Open nana. And look at Papa T and Natora and everybody. What's your name? Loud, loud!
Sika Norman Skilling.
Sika Norman Skilling. How old are you?
7.
8. January, what's your birthday? January 5, but we didn't do the January 5. We only do the January 11. Then LJ 렌싱을 시야, 바위시야 크리스마스 하러가 저탈만에 저런 미세. 렌달을 하게 렌님의 거사게 세미세. 아, 일동들은 the best. The best and also the from the elkim tai meta. Elkim tai meta. The siya meta. And the best that I for like I'm 8 years old. Ano pa, kiakadar mo sili betra rain lal. Oh, katin or pa mo rain lal ke. Betra tong tawag niya. Na, ini na. Let's dance. Banana. Ako dah.
After student navigation from the document chain, just so that they have broader options.
That's this one. Sarah, come.
Alright. Here we go again. V6 Productions, right back at it again. We got your boy, Rude Boy, Raynard Steven, Wawa, and Good.
Wait. Mom?
He can eat solid food? Like spurs or sausage? You don't know? You watch him every day, you don't know?
but
Ian, how can eat like sausage? Cause CJ was asking.
If it's $10,000 or more, here are 3 easy solutions you can start implementing today. And number 3 is an absolute game changer. Number 1, the first step to tackling your credit card debt is understanding how much debt you actually have and how long it could follow you around for if you're only making minimum payments or are falling behind. Number 2, start with minimum payments to stay current on all of your cards. Then, take any additional money you can afford and put all of it towards your smallest debt until it's paid off. Then, work your way up, knocking out one debt at a time until you're debt-free. Number 3, anyone with $10,000 or more in credit card debt or personal loans may qualify for help from National Debt Relief.
I called immediately. You qualify to be a part of the National Debt Relief Program. I can't thank National Debt Relief enough.
There is this entire stress that's I'm debt-free. Find out if you're eligible today. If you have $10,000 or more in debt, there's a good chance you'll qualify. Be sure to apply before next Friday. You'll be glad you did.
when are we getting the tree?